Anyways, Nancy and Eleven make it to the house. They were on their way, it doesn't matter. Then the editor, the director, or the producer, somebody needs to get shot for this. They show Nancy's reaction to the aftermath of the encounter. They then zoom out to show us the aftermath of the encounter. They then cut to Karen losing the fight, and then back to Karen on the floor, and then they continue to cut back and forth. Wanting to have both scenes with both emotional payoffs, but in doing so, ruining the impact of both scenes. They should have just picked one. Either you show Nancy's reaction and her trying to stabilize her mom, and we sit through the emotional weight of watching a beloved character trying to save another beloved character, or show us the heroic stand resulting in the slow death of a beloved character, and then have Nancy show up in real time to react and frantically try to stabilize her mom. You can't have both, because you lose the emotional weight of the scene by cutting away to a slow-mo shot of her losing, because you've taken us out of this. It just feels like you're wasting time and all we want to know is if she survived. To then cut back to the slow reveal of a bloody body, expecting the initial emotional weight to return. Also, we already know she lost by this shot. So this slow-mo shot feels less like a heroic emotional death and more like pandering, just to show her last stand in a violent death in slow-mo.